Hi, I'm Terry, and in this segment, we're going to be doing the perfect ballet bun. Now, a ballet bun traditionally is quite tight, and it's held up a little higher up on the head, at least the middle to right near the top of the crown of your head. So we're going to do a halfway up bun here. So you want to collect your hair in your hand like a ponytail, like you would if you were putting in a ponytail. You want to comb it to make sure that it's going to be nice and tight. I'm starting with slightly damp hair. You can actually start with wet hair too if you choose. Once I've gathered it all, I'm going to go ahead and make a ponytail. Again, wrapping it as many times as I need to make sure it's a very nice, tight ponytail. I do 3 times. And then we start twisting the hair up and pinning. We're just going to pin it to the head. Don't be afraid to use a lot of bobby pins because they're just going to be tucked right in the bun. You can't see them at all. And the tighter, the better. Continue twisting your hair until all of it is tucked in. Paying careful attention that the very ends are tucked right under so there's nothing peeking out. And then, any pieces that are sticking up, you can go ahead and take hairspray or gel to secure them down. And there we have the perfect ballet bun.